For me, the interview experience was very positive. The panel members were approachable and created a comfortable environment, which made it feel more like a conversation than a strict evaluation. That welcoming start gave me a confidence right from the day one. Later, in one of my projects, I also suggested automation workflow that were consuming a lot of manual time. This small change saved efforts and showed me how even simple innovation ideas can create a big impact.
The early career training program gave me exposure to both professional and soft skills. It was not just about learning tools and technology, but also about adapting to a professional environment. That balance really helped me move from a fresher mindset to feeling confident as a professional. One particularly memorable activity was when we were introduced to Agile methodology through a hands-on exercise using Lego blocks. This practical approach made the principles of Agile much clearer and fun to learn. My manager, team, and my mentor played a key role in helping me with my technical and professional development. They helped me build confidence, improve communication, and adapt to the workplace culture. Despite their senior positions, everyone was approachable and genuinely invested in our growth, which made a huge difference in my learning experience.
AI has been a big part of my work here. I have used tools like GitHub Copilot and other LLMs to make coding faster and more efficient. It wasn't just about saving the time, but also about improving the quality of solutions I delivered. Along this journey, I also realized how much we have grown, building skills, earning certifications, and creating memories through fun events and teamwork. Looking back, this feels like just the beginning of an exciting career at version 1.
I explored AI and large language model in my project work, which allowed me to test new approaches and solve problems faster. Version 1 gave me the opportunity to experiment and apply the concept. Otherwise, it wouldn't have been possible. I joined version 1 as an early career associate, continuing this journey with even more confidence.
Through project-based learning, I was able to pick up new tools and gain real client exposure, which helped sharpen both my technical and communicational skills. Alongside this, I had the opportunity to pursue certifications. Version 1 supported me by covering the cost, providing study time, and also connecting me with the mentors. That encouragement gave me confidence to achieve certification early in my career and continue upskilling.
Hi, I'm Navyashri. For me, the fun events really stood out, especially the treasure hunt. It was creative, full of energy, and brought out the teamwork in a completely different way. Activities like this make the workplace less formal and more like a community. Looking back, this journey has been truly transformative. From the nervous excitement of interviews to gaining a real-world project experience. We have built the skills and grown as a professionals and made a lasting connections. And this is just the beginning of our career at version 1.
We are happy to really bring in more early careers and interns, and we will ensure some of our tenured employees, they will be more coached and nurtured in a business domain, so that this combination will give us a good edge in terms of servicing clients in a faster pace. We always have a startup mindset, even though we are an organization of 30 years. But the startup mindset combined with this kind of combination using the AI power will differentiate version 1 further. So with this, I just want to wish you all the best, and you are just a wave of several batches that's going to come into version 1, and we need your help. Happy career path with version 1. Thank you.
Hello, I am Aniruddha Datta. I head the software engineering teams in version 1 India. The most exciting part of our work is not just the projects, it's the great collaboration we have between our innovation labs out of India, which are run by a bunch of young interns and early career graduates, which we have onboarded with very strong academia connects, as well as the collaboration between them and the global AI labs. And together, they are surprising our customers by delivering mind-boggling MVPs.
At version 1, what we look at is delivering excellence and people satisfaction. In AI world, what we are looking at is grooming our youngsters so they have a better career path. What we plan to do is we groom our early talent and the tenure talent to have the best technology so that they come up and develop good use cases that can be delivered to our clients. We adopt in coaching and developing our early careers. What we believe is we help them develop and educate with new technologies so that they deliver better, and we are all excited with this new journey. Thank you.